Hey guys, Garrett Williams back at you with another video. It's cloudy, overcast, rainy today. My buddy Mike Leans is demoing the Bobcat or something 65 excavator. Yeah, I think it's E165. So we're gonna go. Of course, he had to pick the worst day of the year for that, but we're gonna go and check that out, see what he thinks of it. He's digging a basement or something. So he's about 20 minutes away. We'll buzz over there and see what he's got going on. See you over there. This thing.
I don't have it ready.
Think it looks nice?
Yeah, it does look pretty nice.
At the end of the day, it's all that matters, right?
Nope.
At the end of the day, what matters most?
How it operates.
How it operates, dealer support. Making me actually do work today with the laser.
Take the waistline down. Good enough. Close enough.
What kind of laser is that? A Topcon? It's a Leica. Wait, doesn't that like link with your case?
Yeah. Well, our one case links with video.
Yeah.
It's got a little reader right on the phone.
Yeah. So cat's meow.
Yeah. That one I can stay in the cat this time. You know.
Right. So after Mike spent a day in it, he said all in all it's a really nice machine. I do want to get our bigger bucket on it though, just to see if it can handle it as well as the case. So let me know in the comments below if you have any experience with the Bobcat E165 or E145. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to like if you liked it, and be sure to subscribe if you'd like to see more videos like this. And remember, in order to get results no one else is getting, you must be doing things and no one else is doing. See you soon.